Well, hello everyone. Here we are. We've been away for a while because Eva had some family matters to attend. So I'm gonna give you a sneak preview. This is what the deck looked like. And in 2021, we got the lockdown, no supply. So we decided to do an addition, close half of the deck, and make it into a solarium. So here I'm gonna let you, Eva, give you a tour of the inside.
Hey everyone, so here is the completed construction of our sunroom. So that finally finished all the window frame for this project. So as you can see, this is the entrance door. The um, the gas fireplace, which is this one, is the biggest expenses on this project. For some reason here in Canada, when you buy a small fireplace, it is more costly compared to buying a bigger one. I don't know. Maybe nobody's using a smaller one, but we need a small fireplace only for this room because the room is not big. So that's the fireplace. As you can see, the tiles. I installed portion of these tiles as well. So there's a lot of arguments about the tiles, but at the last minute we agree what kind of tiles we're gonna put. For the wall, we decided to put a barn board. You can see that that's a barn board. Instead of painting the blue wall on this, we Ted installed all of this. This project was all done by Ted, and he need only help. See, he get somebody to help him to put the windows. So that's my painting. That's the one I did in Florida. So we're very pleased on this room. And then we decorated it with a combination of some nautical and rustic stuff. And the second biggest expenses on this room is the windows. As you can see, the windows is the second biggest expenses on this room. So he finished the windows as well, the trims on the windows, and the blind was also being installed. As you can see, there's a lot of gym equipment because we're using this room as our mini gym for now since there have been uh, lockdown here in Ontario. So we are using this to do our exercise, using this as an exercising room. So you can see that. Maybe in summer we'll switch in and put the proper chairs in for the summertime. So yeah, so this is, we are very pleased about the completion of this project. Let me just show you the trim that Ted did. As you can see the trim here, he rounded it up. This is a very rounded trim. I really like it. Instead of doing like a sharp one, and the blinds were there. So I really, really like it. And the ledge on this one, on the windows are really cool. And we have also a pull-out couch. You can convert it into a bed if you want to sleep here. Actually, I spend most of the time here. I like to watch it. I like to wake up early and then just sit here and read and looking at the windows and looking at all the trees, snows and everything. And I put some plants there. Those are my indoor plants. Yeah, I'm so happy about this project. So finally it's done and finished. So the flooring, we choose the white one. I really love the flooring too. So yeah. And there's my little dog. She always have a bed wherever we are. So she hung out with us wherever we go. So yeah, Coco has so many bed in this house. Yeah, all in all, we are pleased. So I will show you how the construction started here. You'll see how it looked like when Ted was working on this last year. We're just so lucky because last year is not really a bad winter. So he covered the side here and then start working in it. Plus there's a heater that we use. So he was able to work on these projects, as you can see. And then I think it was summer when we finished the outside and then stain it. So all in all, we're so happy about this project. So yeah, so this is serve as our mini gym for now. So I hope you like it, guys. So I'll show you how we start this project, okay? So here's the picture of the original deck. This is how it looked like. So we started removing all the railings. So Ted started to install the subfloor. So he was able to finish that as well. And then we bought the door as well in the Home Depot. This is the initial plan for the tiles for the fireplace, but at the last minute we changed our mind, and I suggest for that to shrink it and make it smaller, which really flows with the design, so we're so happy about it. Okay, the subflooring is already been installed properly, so Ted has done that, so we are moving to the next step of this project. Before it get cold, he started to put some tarp on the side, so at least he can continue working because it started to get cold already. So yeah, I'm glad he did that. I think installing the door is the hardest one because you need two people to do it. So I help him hold the door, so we're able to put it. He is really good. Thank God it's done. So happy about it. So now he has to frame the outside. I think he need to frame it properly. So that's really good that he finished that as well by himself alone. Okay, now is the insulation. I think Ted hated this kind of job. We have to insulate the inside, so it has to be done.
At this point, as you can see, I've added all the tarps. You know, a very windy day and the snow keeps coming in. We jump right here to the finished product with the, you know, all the boards up and the chimneys in, fireplace is in, as you can see, and we move on. Here's another shot with the whole sides done, except the windows haven't arrived yet, so we're still waiting. But we make do with a plastic tarp. Now, as you can see, the floors are in, and it's Eva couldn't wait to decorate it, so there's the furniture and stuff. Now we're gonna move to the outside. Yeah, the outside was a challenge. All those cedar pieces, are hundreds of them, had to be cut and fitted properly. Here I'm doing now the window trim, and we're just about done. Thank you.
Thank you for watching, guys. Good night, everyone. God bless, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.